song was inspired, and I'm sure this will touch a nerve, is that the right word? With everyone in this room, all of you beautiful creatives out there like us. What a wonderful cauldron we're stood in right now of creativity. Christ. Right. So I wrote this a while back when I went to an art gallery, and so a guy met the artist with stickers all over his paintings, and I turned around to him and said, "Oh my God, that's amazing, you're one of a minority of artists or creatives who doesn't have to work a rubbish job in between what you do so well. I certainly have and do work in between all the creative stuff that I do." And he said, "Don't be ridiculous. The only way I make money is by going to posh people's houses and painting their dogs." So this is a song that goes out to all you creatives out there. Keep doing what you're doing, because without it, the world would be shit. Like it's not already, but you know what I mean. Let's say Christmas would be shit, then let's ruin the mood a bit. But yeah, so yeah, this is a song about that, and it is called I Paint Dogs. Twisting and turning the head, stiffy casting through dreams. I sit and cut her, she thinks she's a queen. Don't you think that leaving nappies on the plate is extreme? I wanna scream! Taking purpose, she travels to faraway lands. Suppose I could join her magic brass band. I'm sorry, but there's no place for you in the stand. So here's a plan, I'll paint dogs. Up and down the country, I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs, so that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. Fields are shaking the top, you can distance in all of our dreams. A chance to finally conquer the scene, but it's just a superfluous request on my screen. That's all I see. Mustard television steps inside the away this man. I haven't felt any love for a while. Being with my emotions, I'm so versatile. Watch me smile, nothing wrong, nothing smile. You should go to college, you should go to school. Focus on your algebra, not mess around with fools. I look inside my wallet, I check inside my shoes. No matter what I'm looking, I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? You know what you must do. So there's a rumour going on Cardiff, that creative Cardiff are very good at howling like dogs. Can I hear it, please? I'll paint dogs up and down the country. I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs so that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs up and down the country. I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs so that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs up and down the country. I'll paint dogs. I'll paint dogs so that I can be free. I'll paint dogs. 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 Thank you.